for ways to have a healthier Christmas without missing out on the festive cheer? Well, you're in the right place. Christmas, while a time of joy and indulgence, doesn't have to sideline your health goals. This video will provide a roadmap to navigate the holiday season with 10 practical tips. We'll show you how to enjoy the festivities fully, yet mindfully, without compromising your health. So, are you ready to celebrate a balanced, joyful, and healthier Christmas? Stay tuned to discover the top 10 ways to have a healthier Christmas. Our first tip is to plan your meals. The holiday season is a time of indulgence, but planning your meals can help curb any temptation to overindulge. Consider incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your holiday menu. This can provide you with the nutrients your body needs to stay healthy, while still allowing you to enjoy the festive season. It's all about balance. Remember, a little planning can go a long way in maintaining your health during the holidays. Our second tip is to stay active. Regular exercise boosts your mood, helps you combat holiday stress, and burns off those extra festive calories. You don't need to hit the gym. Get creative. How about a brisk walk to admire the holiday decorations, or an impromptu dance-off to your favorite Christmas tunes? Perhaps a snowball fight or a family game of football. These fun activities keep the heart merry and the body moving. So, make sure to include some physical activity in your holiday schedule. Our third tip is to stay hydrated. Amidst the joy and merriment, it's easy to forget the importance of drinking enough water, especially when indulging in a few celebratory beverages. Hydration not only keeps us feeling fresh and lively, but it also aids in digestion and helps prevent overeating. Try alternating between your holiday spirits and a glass of water or a non-alcoholic beverage. This simple strategy can significantly reduce the likelihood of holiday hangovers and keep you feeling your best. Remember, hydration is key to staying healthy during the festive season. Our fourth tip is to control your portions. It's easy to pile on the food during holiday feasts, but remember, moderation is key to maintaining a balanced diet. Try using smaller plates or bowls to help keep portion sizes in check. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied, not when you're stuffed. Treat yourself, but don't overdo it. It's not about depriving yourself, but about enjoying your favorite holiday treats mindfully. So keep an eye on those portions to avoid overeating. Our fifth tip is to choose healthier alternatives. Christmas is synonymous with rich, decadent meals. But did you know there are lighter options that are just as satisfying? Swap out creamy mashed potatoes for a vibrant roasted root vegetable medley. Instead of reaching for that sugar-laden Christmas cookie, grab a piece of dark chocolate. It's about finding balance, not depriving yourself. And let's not forget, these healthier alternatives can be a new, exciting addition to your festive menu. Remember, healthier alternatives can be just as tasty and festive. Our sixth tip is to get enough sleep. You might be tempted to stay up late wrapping gifts or catching up with loved ones, but remember, sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. It boosts your immune system, keeps your heart healthy, and even helps control your holiday cravings. To ensure you're getting enough shut-eye, try to maintain a regular sleep schedule and create a calm, quiet sleeping environment. So, ensure to get enough rest to stay healthy and enjoy the festivities. Our seventh tip is to limit your alcohol intake. While a glass of wine or a festive cocktail can be part of the holiday cheer, excessive alcohol consumption can have detrimental effects on your health. It can lead to weight gain, disrupt sleep, and even increase the risk of certain diseases. So, how to celebrate without overdoing it? Opt for lower alcohol drinks, alternate alcoholic beverages with water, or even try some delicious alcohol-free alternatives. Remember, moderation is the key when it comes to alcohol consumption. Our eighth tip is don't skip meals. It's a common misconception that missing a meal will help you save calories for later. In reality, this often leads to overeating when you finally do sit down to eat. Regular, balanced meals are the key to maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. By giving your body the nutrients it needs, you're less likely to reach for those high-calorie, low-nutrition foods. So, don't skip meals to keep your metabolism active and prevent overindulgence. Our ninth tip is to practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is about savoring each bite and appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. It's not about eating less, it's about enjoying more. During this festive season, try to slow down, put your fork down between bites, and really savor the experience. This can help prevent overeating and enhance your enjoyment of the meal. Remember, mindful eating can help you enjoy your food while maintaining your health. Our 10th and final tip is to enjoy the festivities. Embrace the joy, warmth, and happiness of the season. Laughter, positivity, and a sense of community can significantly contribute to your overall health and well-being. Christmas is a time for love, celebration, and gratitude. It's about creating memories, not just meals. Maintain a positive attitude, relish the season's spirit, and keep these tips in mind. Balance is key. So enjoy the festive season and remember these tips to have a healthier Christmas. So these were our top 10 tips for a healthier Christmas. From planning your meals and staying active, to practicing mindful eating and enjoying the festivities, each tip plays a crucial role in fostering a balanced holiday season. Implementing these strategies can help you navigate the holiday indulgences while maintaining your health. We encourage you to try these tips and share your experiences. Remember, a healthier Christmas is a happier Christmas. Happy holidays!